we are gonna do another question, which is a square of resultant square of resultant um, of two forces of two forces is equal is equal um, equal is equal magnitude is equal magnitude. Wait, what? A square. So let's just write the question, then I will fix the grammar. Equal magnitude is three times three times their product their product the angle between the forces the angle between forces is. So let's check it out. Square of the resultant, so it's not a square, I think it's a square of the resultant of two forces is equal in magnitude is equal um, is equal in magnitude to three times their product. Not sure this is the question, but I will fix it as we go on. So square of the resultant of two vectors, oh sorry, two forces of equal magnitude. Sorry. And the question was actually right. I was the one who wrote it wrong. So the square of the resultant of two forces of equal magnitude is three times their product. So find the forces between them. So let's see the force. There is no option in this one. So let's say let f1, so vector f1 and vector f2 be the forces and vector r be the resultant. So we know that the magnitude of f1 will be equal to the magnitude of f2. Let's say that magnitude is f for simplicity's sake, and we know that resultant is square root. So to remove the square root, I will square it over here. So we have r squared equals a squared, a will be f squared, plus b squared, which will be f squared again, plus 2ab, so 2ab cos theta, right? And we know that r squared equals 2f squared plus 2f squared cos theta, and obviously you can pull out the 2f squared to get 1 plus cos theta. This is equation 1. And also according to the equation, the square of the resultant is equal to 3 times the product of the vectors, so which is f into f, so if it's f squared, right? So this is the second equation. I hope that's clear, because just look at it. The square of the resultant, so square of the resultant of two forces of equal magnitude is 3 times their product, so 3 times their product, which will be 3f squared. I hope that makes sense. Let's go back and let's continue. So now let's just compare them. Let's compare the first one and the second one. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, so we have 2f squared, so let's go back, 2f squared bracket 1 plus cos theta must equal 3f squared. So f squared will cancel, dividing both sides by f squared will cancel out the f square, and if you then after that, if you just cancel that out, you get 2 plus 2 cos theta. So I also multiply the 2 inside. You will get 3, so which means cos theta will be minus 1/2. No, it will be plus 1/2. The why it will be plus 1/2, because 3 minus 2 will be 1, and 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. So 1/2, which is cos 60 degrees, which means our value of theta is 60 degrees. So if there was a options, then the 60 degrees would be the correct option. So this is it for today's video. On the next video, we are going to talk about another question. So till then, bye bye.